Reading 7A. Exercise 2, page 76.
The Eagle Huntress. Everyone enjoys those inspiring films that stop you from thinking about the daily rush and fill your heart with the wonders of life, from animated children's classics to science fiction films about saving the universe. The most inspirational, though, are the ones that are based on true stories. The Eagle Huntress is a Kazakh-language documentary film from British director Otto Bell. It records the true story of Aishulpan Nurgaev, a 13-year-old girl whose dream was to become an eagle hunter, like her father and grandfather. For over 1,000 years, the nomads have hunted with golden eagles. However, this precious skill has been traditionally handed from father to son. But that didn't stop Aishulpan. The film follows her on a journey, from capturing her first baby eagle through training to competing in a contest against experienced adult eagle hunters. Otto Bell got the idea for the film when he saw some photos online of Aishulpan training with her father's eagle. He contacted the photographer and traveled to one of the most remote locations on Earth to find her and her family. He spent all his savings on 700 kilograms of equipment and 2 cameramen to operate it, because he believed the world needed to hear Aishulpan's story. Filming was hard work. The snow and the dust, the speed of Aishulpan's golden eagle, and the lack of electricity in the area made getting even simple shots a challenge. But the crew were creative. They used drones for aerial shots and strapped tiny cameras to Aishulpan and her eagle. They even drove alongside Aishulpan and her father as they were riding their horses, filming out of the open door of their van. Their hard work paid off, and the final film beautifully captures the stunning scenery, the nomads' fascinating lifestyle, and their wonderful relationship with nature. The Eagle Huntress is a popular and highly praised film, not only because it tells the story of a strong and brave girl, but because of what her story shows us. She had a dream, and with the support of her family, her own strong will, talent, and self-belief, she achieved that dream. As the Australian musician Sia sings over the closing credits of The Eagle Huntress, "You can do anything."